Welcome to the old post office in Oak. It's over 1,400 square foot lateral accommodation. This property is sure to deliver. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video and the tour of the property. I promise you it is definitely one to view if it's on your shortlist. Please give me a call or an email to book your viewing. If you'd like me to value your home, I'd love that too. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.